I had often told you stories about the way I lived the life from the drifter, waiting for the day when I take your hand and sing the songs that maybe you would say, come lay with me and love me, I will surely stay. But I feel I'm growing older, and all the songs that I have sung echo in the distance, like the sound of the windmill going round. I guess I'll always be soldier of fortune. Many times I've been a traveler and I look for something new. Days were old and nights were cold, I wondered about you. Those days I thought my eyes should see you standing near. Though blindness is confusing, it shows if you're not here. But I feel I'm growing older, and all the songs that I have sung echo in the distance, like the sound of the windmill going round. I guess I'll always be soldier of fortune. I can hear the sound of the windmill going round. I guess I'll always be soldier of fortune. I guess I will always be a soldier of fortune.